This video will demonstrate the white and color ORGR alignment procedures on GTX600 Extra Colors. In this demo, we are using black paper that can be located in the Brother USA Partner Portal under part number GT-SKIN811B. To begin this process, ensure the printer is connected to your PC or Mac via a LAN or USB connection. Open the GTX6 ORGR Maintenance tool located in the Start menu on Windows and in the Applications folder on Mac OS. This will launch the Brother GTX6 Extra Colors ORGR Maintenance tool. Next, ensure your connected printer is selected in the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Scroll down the menu options and select White and Color ORGR Alignment. Click the Next button to continue. In the Maintenance tool, click the radio button for letter or A4 sized black paper. Click Next afterwards. First, the alignment will be performed with the CMYK color print heads. Make sure Color Head is selected and press Next. In Step 3, a diagram will appear asking you to place a sheet of black paper on the platen along with settings instructions. On GTX600, ensure the 14-inch by 16-inch platen is located onto the printer and set to height level A- in the printer settings. Next, return to the GTX6 Extra Colors ORGR Maintenance tool. A prompt will ask about resetting the existing settings. If this Reset Existing Settings box is left unchecked, GTX600 Extra Colors will only verify the existing alignment settings. Because we want to perform a fresh calibration with updated alignment settings instead, check the Reset Existing Settings box. At Step 4, the print file Align Check Color will be sent to the printer. Press the Print buttons to print the check pattern. The printed CMYK check pattern is a series of squares with X and Y coordinates. After printing, you'll be asked to input the X and Y coordinates of the square with the least amount of white ink showing. In the example printed for this demo, the square at XY coordinate -2, 0 is solid blue with no white ink showing. Enter the X and Y coordinates into the fields and click the Next button afterwards. For Step 6, place another sheet of black paper on the platen and print the next check pattern to confirm your settings. Return to the GTX6 Extra Colors ORGR Maintenance tool. Press the Next button to go to Step 7. Review your confirmation print. Verify whether or not the center square at 0, 0 is blue with no white ink showing. If the center square has white ink showing, click No, click Return to Step 1, and follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate again. If the center square has no white ink showing, check the Yes radio button and click the Next button. At this point, the color head calibration process will be marked as done. You must repeat these steps for the ORGR print head. Click the radio button for ORGR head and press the Next button. On Step 3, click Reset Existing Settings to write new calibrations to the ORGR print heads. Press Next afterwards. This time, when you print from Step 4, GTX600 Extra Colors will print a green and white check pattern. Review the print, and in Step 5, input the coordinates with the least amount of visible white ink. Print the confirmation file in Step 6 and press the Next button. In Step 7, review the print and verify the center square at 0, 0 is fully green with no white ink showing. Once verified, click Yes, press the Next button, and press OK to complete the calibration process.